去hwjik打了一年去。没空调。
用这三个用草嘞，这不行，这不行，这不行，这不行，这样。
没得呢。那走。
都加盟进去。
俺们进，俺们进，俺们进去，俺们进拖，进拖，进拖，进拖，进拖，进拖，进拖，俺们进拖，俺们进拖，俺们进拖。等等进了，等等进了。Yes。进拖，进拖，西亚了。 Cookie na thadarak tana akhoi ga Arambai gi yum ni tu loi hore tu hwjik cookie na thadarak ga nong pung kai chai re si hori ma nu tu loi hore tu hori ma ni oh ma loi hore tu tuk tak thadari man si hore tu yam hore tu moi thadari je tu si jini si tu sara thadari je si bosin
ima pak tho ima nu pak tho ne ima manu da mi kya le hori am tare hong jaba mi naksan me le
kirano ko uri ne
na te wai ke ima asi da kana le hori ke amta asi ko suna kan kar madala ima sing le hori brava honda dile ko ji kai na na mane ran nati asum makhar ka ke kana le ran gini mojo
ngang so puni de bu
ngako si yo ne e naksan le namni ko
eno
si me am ko ki manipur state kai tauri ke mi ki di bom drone thadara ga pokai thadari si khoi na no bra moi na no bra bu du mi biro si khunjai ma myam se pak tha lai de ima nang matai lao matai si lao ai yo de nga ko yo pak ka asi manung di ma sing le uri ba ba le yo de ma sai pe se pe chang ba na ko na pe se
Koutruk na nong may kam na rin ay cookie na nong may kam sa rin si Faineng ka tawag sir
ay ngasi wa da hai deu au je khoi lei si Koutruk ta ni Arambai Tenggol di ta se na lan mi na tholak ki su na te ana khoi je aje irang ju ka chi tang ne me hai bi ya de nong kam na phone ba khan le ko koi ta ni lo ra ga apai wakal kitang mind refresh tauna ba den Arambai Tenggol na ka pe bon kan na tawre drone bombing ne ado kumalam pak ta khoi ji sport tawdana boxing knockout championship tawdana khoi ji mayam ji nu aina lai ringe ta ni ta tamna khoi ji sigumba sana kona ba ki kano ji ke khai tinga ya be mong da ngasi ji final no mi chi da ita tha ji dana Koutruk ta cookie na nong mai kam sale atamna na yum da kam sala kona ma ganda nupi ama maun ha ma lai hidre makok ta sap sana pan na namna nuai te tamoi swe adagi pekli ba magi macha nupi ama kutta pala swe adu mathak te state force ani ama su so ko gi smaina pau si lere aduna matam khara su hai ba ko ji khara su kun nga pasing amadi state force kai ka su khara kitang su alert oina su lai udre aduna maram orga na ngasi khudong sa si lore adu am janing di akoi central force sing sina ngak lai tana ko akoi central force sing sina ngak lai tana nakal ani gi marak ta koi lai na mai dei dagi ju khut tha birakanu aduga cookie dagi su khut tha loe na moi ngak lai tana promise ta wele waira ma mafang puding da dum ko sunu rom da khangde sekmai rom da khangde Koutruk rom da khangde adagi ama ekta mafam ama da ekta so is this really central forces are protecting us from the cookie illegal immigrants? I would like to ask sincerely to the government of India and to all the central forces, including paramilitary forces, that you keep on promising that you are going to protect the indigenous people, that you are in between, that you are standing in between Kuki and Meiteis, and you keep on saying that please don't fire from Meitei, and then we are protecting Kukis and we won't allow them to fire to Meiteis also. Is this you are really protecting us? Is this really you doesn't have a Kuki to fire the Meitei peoples, the real indigenous people? See, you can hear the sound. They keep on bombing through drone bombing. So is this really under the guidance of SU, suspension of operation, that they are using a drone bombing and they keep on killing the people around here? This is not saying by me. It is not only witnessed by me, it is witnessed by the state forces also. It is witnessed by all the public also. So they have really used today a drone bombing, and then they were using a bomb through drone, and then they keep on dropping that bomb. Because of that, many people have injured, and then we have lost our life. So how long we have to bear like this? How long do we have to bear like this? So if not, please stay away. If not, please go back, central forces. So we will face ourselves. This is a communal war. It is a conflict war between the illegal immigrants and the real indigenous people of Manipur, so-called Meitei. So we will face ourselves. If you are not going to protect us from all this, then we will face ourselves. Please go away. We don't need any central forces around. Sina ina thamjani wa bunji moina ngal itana central forces na maya gele pola ai koi ju kapaloi moi ju kapaloi na haire moina toraga na koi mi panga ta hatpa pangsok ta sokpa state force mi hatpa sokpa kaim haidawa then nahan mak ta su moi gi KNO gi general secretary maru kok nu pa duna hauji pawda central government na su gi ground rule thugai haiba ki court amata yaudri hai na hairak palai tri hai na nan hai central forces ke am hat kare Assam rifle ki base ke they have killed many central forces. State forces ki mayam including snipers season organda mayam hat kare, then public mayam hat kare, kun ngak chaba mayam hat kare. Ngasi makta da su drone bombing sinare drone je pahelaga drone du gi kano bomb je yaurga thadar aga advain torga drone bombing tor sidi Ukraine Russia Ukraine war da ba sidi UN United Nations na thing ba dugumba yamna danger oi ba yamna kurong thiba chana ba ya da ba kano mane kaisu lai ta ba sigi communal conflict khar sida sigi ketang khana ba China ba sida drone bombing a season or pasidi India government need to take a very severe and then very strict action against this so-called cookie illegal immigrants and cookie bloody terrorists. This is what I would like to say to the central government. Thank you.